Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video I want to share with you a hatchling that was inspired by DJ King. However, I don't know if I'm going to actually keep this bag, and I'll show you why in a minute. But I just wanted to share a couple of things with you all, that the hatchlings have slowed down. And can I tell you, I'm kind of glad. I have some things that are coming that I will share with you. And I have some things that have been roosting here in the Duck's Nest. This is one of them. I have another one, and I have another one that's not handbag related, but just some things that I want to share with you all in a separate video. And this, this handbaggers, we need to talk about what's in this box, but I'm not even emotionally strong enough to discuss what's in this box right now. So I'm going to save that for another video. But right now I am going to tell you all the story of the unboxing and the bag that will probably go back. So DJ King did a video where she revealed her Dawson satchel, her Dooney and Bourke Dawson satchel in the color geranium. And let me tell you all, that bag rocked my world. I fell in love with that bag immediately. So of course I had to go on a quest to find it, and I wanted specifically the geranium that she showed. I could not find geranium in the regular size. I found large Dawsons, but DJ King made it a point to tell us that she had both sizes, the large and the regular, and she said the large was much too large. So when she said the large was too big, I knew that I needed the regular size. I Love Dooney had it, not in the geranium. Of course, I went on eBay, I couldn't find it. I found other colors that I wasn't willing to pay the price for because I wanted geranium. So I deviated a bit and I said, okay, if you take a look at it, the Dawson is actually a small Barlow, but it just has zippered pockets in the front. So I found a small Barlow in a beautiful Caribbean blue. But what I have not shared with you all is the leather type. DJ King's bag was city leather. I have one other bag in city leather in the Duck's Nest. I originally had two. One is this one. And I am about as crazy about this bag as I was about DJ King's Dawson. This bag is so very functional, and she's not huge. Obviously she has a pocket in the front, she has a drawstring, really supple leather. City leather has a nice hand. And I had another bag in city leather that was a mini Barlow. Beautiful color, leaf green with butterscotch trim, just a gorgeous bag. But that city leather is so soft that the mini Barlow caved in and it had no texture and I didn't really like it. So I gifted that to my older sister, who is a member of the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority, whose colors are pink and green. So she got a really nice green bag. This bag, which as you can see is city leather, or maybe you can't see, I'm telling you it's city leather. This bag is a great size. This is a small Barlow. I have another small Barlow in Bordeaux that I really enjoy carrying. Not so much with this bag, and the reason is not the color, it's not the trim, it's not the size or the silhouette, it is strictly the leather. Because I'm not going to take her out of her packaging because I am going to return her, but this bag has absolutely no texture. And had it been a Dawson, it would have some visual interest because it has the zippered pockets, the 2 zippered pockets on the front that sort of break up all the leather. And of course on this drawstring, there's a lot going on visually, but this bag is just really not talking to me because she's just textureless. Which of course is no reflection on DJ King, it's just, and it's really no reflection on this bag. It's a beautiful bag, it's just not military mom style because it just doesn't have enough texture. My other small Barlow is Croco, and it's just a gorgeous bag. I love the color, I love the size, I love the silhouette. I love the Croco embossing on that bag. But yeah, this one's going back. So I just wanted to do a quick video. Of course, you know, the small Barlow has these scallop pockets, and the interior would definitely fit my clunky Coach wristlet. Gorgeous color. I don't have anything in this color, I don't think, but yeah, I probably would never reach for this bag, and I have some other bags that I prefer. So just wanted to share that with you all and tell you I also have some items coming in addition to the items I showed you at the beginning of the video. So if you have a moment, pop back in and I will share them with you when they arrive. Thank you so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest, and as always, happy carrying.